In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove voice from ElevenLabs. If you've created a voice in ElevenLabs and want to delete it from your account, I'll walk you through the exact path to find it and remove it safely. Deleting a voice is permanent, so move carefully and make sure you're removing the correct one. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without typing a long URL. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. You should see the official ElevenLabs website appear at the top of the results. Click that result to go to the site. If you're prompted to sign in, just log in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Voices area. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Voices, Voice Lab, or something similar. This section is where you manage everything related to voice creation and editing. We're heading there to find the voice you want to remove. From there, go to My Voices. This is your personal library, distinct from the public voice library. My Voices is where all of the voices you've created or cloned are stored. Opening this page will show a grid or list of your voices, each with its own card or row. Find the specific voice you want to remove. On its card, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. It usually appears in the corner of the voice card. Click that icon to open the available actions for that voice. In the menu that appears, choose Delete Voice. When you click Delete, you'll likely see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully because this action cannot be undone. Deleting the voice will remove it from your account, and it will no longer be available in projects, previews, or future generations. If that's what you intend, confirm the deletion. After confirming, the page will refresh or update, and the voice should disappear from your My Voices list. If you still see it, try refreshing the page to make sure the change has taken effect. Repeat the same process for any other voices you want to remove. That's it. You navigated from Google to ElevenLabs, opened the Voices section, went into My Voices, opened the options for the voice you selected, and deleted it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your voice library clean and organized.